Hey Josh, where are we going?
Hey guys, we're going to the Oachita National Forest. Especially we're gonna go to a tiny part that it's on the Oklahoma side over an area called Broken Bow. We're gonna be there from today, Friday to Sunday. It's a Martin Luther King weekend, so we want to come before work that it's on Tuesday and have Monday to recharge. And it's gonna be a cold weekend, but we hope it's gonna be a fun one and that you guys like this adventure. After driving for 3 hours from Texas to Oklahoma, we arrived to the Oachita National Forest. Even though this forest is mainly located south of Ozarks in the state of Arkansas, there is a part of it that is in the state of Oklahoma. This is the part that we're going to be exploring this weekend. We are now heading to camp to stay warm around the fire and then rest for the rest of the night. We're about to head out, guys. I was just double checking the maps in Gaia. Our goal for today is to add more trails to the ones we already have that we explored in the past, in order to have even more trails and areas marked for campsite for next adventures. We are heading out. It's like 11 a.m. and hopefully we're to our campsite like around 4 p.m. That's the goal for today. So stay tuned, guys. Cool thing about this area, every time we come here we find a new spot. We just stop here in this beautiful spot with a river or lake on the back. I'm not sure what it is, but it's beautiful. And we're gonna have our lunch, which guess what, it's hot dogs again. It's fast and easy. What's up, Rolo?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Lovely
good.
spot, huh?
Really, really nice, guys. Yeah, we're gonna have some lunch here and then we'll get going. Leslie,
What's up?
how the hell dogs are going?
I'm just going there.
Dale, follow. Reduce el heli velocidad. Pero sin ajorarla, con calma. Exacto, muy bien. Más para la rama, más para acá. Síguelo, Leslie. Dale, follow para grabarte. Esa línea, follow, muy bien.
In this part of our journey, we were able to find a beautiful campsite inside the forest. This place was located in the trails we were exploring today. The site was quite open, able to fit more than 2 vehicles. We have our fire going in order to stay warm. Also, we were able to set up our area and now we're getting ready to cook our meal so we can sit and relax by the fire. So I'm just setting up our utensils for tonight. Our menu for today's dinner is gonna be ribeye with pasta alfredo. Yesha, what are we doing tonight?
We are doing ribeyes. Ribeyes and Alfredo pasta. So it's the pasta is something quick that you can do at camp, and ribeyes also I like to do them in the pan with a lot of butter, and they taste juicy and very, very good.
Otro día, ¿verdad? Le digo a Valentina, digo, Valentina, you have to, esto pasa como un mes y pico, algo así. Le digo, Valentina.
we are inflating our tires back again. They were at 18 psi. We're gonna put them back into 42 and then take the road back home. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, our adventure in Oachita National Forest ends here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like it. Same as us making this video for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it. Also, you can follow us on Instagram as JL Overlanding. See you next time.